Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making creamy mac and cheese, and it's simple, real, and packed with flavor.
In this bowl, I've got about 2 cups of elbow macaroni, which you'll pick. This is the base of our mac and cheese.
And here I've got 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is what helps thicken our sauce. Next up, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This gives the sauce that rich, smooth base. I'm using 2 cups of warm whole milk. Warm milk blends into the roux a lot smoother. For cheese, I've got 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar and about ½ a cup of mozzarella for that stretch. For seasoning, I'm using salt, black pepper, just a pinch of paprika, and a small bowl of breadcrumbs mixed with melted butter for the crispy top. Bring your water to a boil, salt it well, and add the macaroni. Cook for about 8 minutes, just till al dente. Melt the butter, whisk in the flour, and cook for about a minute till it smells nutty. That's your roux. Slowly pour in the warm milk while you whisk. You want a smooth, glossy sauce with no lumps. Add your cheeses a handful at a time. Stir low and slow till it's silky and smooth. Season with salt, pepper, and paprika. Fold the macaroni into that cheese sauce so every piece is coated in creamy goodness. For that golden crust, bake at 350 for about 15 minutes till it's bubbling and crisp. Transfer the mac and cheese into your baking dish and finish it with a light layer of buttery breadcrumbs on top. Look at that cheese, pulled creamy, cheesy, and honestly the best mac and cheese you'll ever make. So we boiled our macaroni just right, made a buttery roux, whisked in warm milk, and melted in 2 cheeses. Then we baked it till golden. Follow these steps and you'll nail creamy mac and cheese every single time. See you next time.